An ambu bag is a device that assists in performing rescue breathing during CPR. When using an ambu bag for CPR, it's easiest to stabilize the victim's head between your knees while you administer it. On an ambu bag, there is a mouthpiece and a balloon-shaped bag. Place the pointed end over the victim's nose and the rounded end over the chin. Hold the mouthpiece stem with your thumb and first finger. Hold the mask and the victim's chin with your other 3 fingers. To perform breaths, simply push down on the bag part, giving 2 breaths, about 1 second each. Allow for chest rise. 2 breaths should take no more than 5 seconds. There are adult, child, and infant size ambu bag sets. If available, use whatever is appropriate.